Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the Ferrari 488 versus the Porsche 911 Turbo S. We'll explore their unique characteristics to help you decide which one best suits your driving style. The Ferrari 488 is renowned for its raw, emotional connection and track prowess, while the Turbo S excels in blending blistering speed with everyday comfort. Let's dive into what makes each of these automotive icons truly special. When it comes to raw power, both vehicles are absolute beasts. The Ferrari 488, with its magnificent twin-turbo V8, delivers an exhilarating soundtrack and incredible throttle response. The Porsche 911 Turbo S, on the other hand, leverages its all-wheel drive system and potent flat-six engine for astonishingly consistent and brutal acceleration. Each offers a distinct flavor of high-performance driving.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your fuel ready, just like these cars are always ready to go. You can find the link to them and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video.
The driving experience truly sets these two apart. The Ferrari 488 is designed to be a pure driver's car, offering an unfiltered connection to the road and a thrilling sense of drama. The Turbo S, while incredibly fast, offers a more refined and planted feel, making it remarkably easy to drive quickly in various conditions. Your preference here depends on whether you seek raw emotion or precise control. Beyond the track, practicality becomes a factor. The Porsche 911 Turbo S shines here, offering a surprisingly usable front trunk and rear seats, albeit small ones. It's a car you could genuinely drive every day. The Ferrari 488, while stunning, is less forgiving in terms of storage and ride comfort, making it more of a special occasion vehicle. Consider your intended use carefully.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.